Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to convert images to animated GIF in online GIF maker. At first, I open my web browser and browse the site gifmaker.me. It's GIF maker homepage. To upload your animated images, click to upload and then select your images. I select here 6 images and upload here. This is the section of animation. You can change your canvas size. You can also change your animation speed here. I select default speed 500 millisecond. You can also select record time and upload any music from YouTube URL. To convert images to animated GIF, press on the Create GIF Animation. To view this animated GIF, press on the View the GIF. You can change this animation order. Then drag the image up or down. To download this animated GIF, press on the Download the GIF. Now I open this animated GIF. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will help you, please subscribe to our channel, get more update videos.